guys, it's your girl Lydia Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook a whole chicken. I'm going to use the Instant Pot Duo Plus. I'm going to use this seasoning, that one over there. I'm going to use that, okay, all right, and I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use these ingredients: red pepper, onion, quite a number of garlics. I've got around that number in here in my blender. I'm going to get one onion, so I'm going to put it in there. And I'm gonna get that slice of red pepper. I'm gonna put it in there. Guys, I need to chop this a little bit. I have to chop that because you know what? It can't do the job when it's so big. I'll put the switch on. I'm gonna beat that. Ooh. We need some liquid. Okay, there we go. Worcester sauce, alright. So that's how much I put, and that's a 5 ml. I really want like 1 milligram of that. We don't want to put too much. I'll put some turmeric, which really I don't want much of that. I should put some liquid. Alright guys, this is a little bit of water, so I'm going to put some water. This is vegetable oil. Okay, so yeah, that's how much I put in there. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to try to put this around my chicken. I'm going to rub it, and I'm going to get this, and I'm going to squash them in there. Okay. We need that garlic smell as much as we can. Right, I'm going to stuff that in there. Okay, so I can turn it around. Oops, I pour it. Oh no, we need to stuff that back. I'm going to have to remember it's in there. Right, I'm also going to put some more stuffing in there. Oops. We're not going to waste any. It's going to be all over the chicken. I want it to really smell like that, so it better be everywhere. Oh, that's a mess. Yeah. Give it some more. Okay, give it some more of that. I'll rub it more. Yes, I feel like it was too liquidy. Yeah, I'd rather give it some more and overdose. I'm gonna open this and put this aside. Right, I'm gonna press. Just to let you see it's on. Press the saute button. I'm simply going to go down to, I think we can do that for I'd like to think I know what I'm doing. Is it 6 minutes? Yes, it's on. Should I just put my oil? Well, it gets ready. I'm supposed to be cutting some potatoes. I did try the saute button, but it was just getting burned at the bottom, and the fact of the matter is that I forgot to record. But that's how I got this soup, because I put some water in that and I was scrubbing. I wanted to get rid of the burnt bottoms, which I suppose I've cleared. Yeah, because I put water and it all loosened up, so the bottoms are not burnt anymore. So it's just sad that I didn't show the saute bit of it. But right now I'm gonna put, because I really need to get done with this. So I'm gonna put the chicken. I'm gonna season it again because I feel like my seasoning was reduced. This is the chicken now after the saute. I just put more seasoning, but this is the new seasoning that I just put right now. It did make a difference, a huge difference, because you can look at it, give it a little rub and make it look pretty, right? I'm gonna dump it in there after saute. It is that color. I'm gonna put 3 cups of water, another cup, and I'm gonna put it here. My chicken is dipped in water right now. If my seasoning in the back is gonna be there, that's what I'm asking myself. But I'm gonna add a 3rd cup, because when I was doing the water initial test, I used 3 cups. I know 3 cups are fine. Vegetables, I think I'm gonna stick some around there and just put them anywhere, wherever. because we're going for pressure cook. Okay, so I would like to be confident that there's enough water, although I really didn't want the bottom part to be soaked in water. It is. There you go. It is. Don't mind if they're quite big. Like, I love them. Love, love, love. Another pepper. This time the yellow one. I'm gonna put it wherever. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some potatoes, just a few of them. I don't want the vegetables to overnumber the potatoes, so I think the potatoes are way too many. Believe me, my kids will like it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna close it. There we are. I want the chicken really soft, so okay, that's on. I'd like to set the timer. Yeah, because I've seen people doing it for 25 minutes. Let's go for 25 minutes. And I suppose that's normal. I believe I don't have to do anything because I was told now it's building pressure. That silver bit there should go up. Pressure cooker is pressurized. See that being blue? Because it's on pressure cook. That's the main one. So that it's going to go on warm afterwards. That's the second option after the main option. Now, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still building pressure. Can you hear the sound right now? Can you see that steam? Little bits jumping up and down. Definitely, I want some good results right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait and let's see what happens. The countdown has just begun. It means it's pressurizing. The food is being cooked. It's no longer building pressure. It's actually pressure cooking. I'm gonna wait and see what happens after the countdown because it is counting down, much as it's blipping on and off. So yeah. All right, guys. So it just finished cooking. It's showing me that the pressure is off, and now we have the keep warm, which is not what I want. So I don't know if it's the right time to release the steam. I just did. Okay, the silver is down now, and it's finished releasing pressure. I forgot to record it after. That's what it looks like. It's like the soup just looks better than any soup I've made. Seriously, I really, really love it. Okay, yeah.